Good morning, traders. In front of you, critical part of the Alpha system. In front of you, mid-trend. This is what intelligent trader understands. Mid-trend, always the pain. Mid-trend, always the chop. And if software running on your charts, this is a market, this is a chop, this is a pain. Your success starts with understanding chop, with understanding pain. We discussed with students, it's only mid-trend. We discussed with students, price has plenty of space higher. But if you choose to pull a trigger right now, you do not understand the price. You have a lot more to learn. You are trading strategically. You are trading markets as Alpha Fibonacci chess. Those of you who were yesterday here, do you remember this? Price was at critical Alpha Fibonacci support. We were going back between S&P and Dow, which we do every single morning. This was drastically better place. Extremely jittery open yesterday morning on both S&P and Dow. Very different place. This morning, bullish rally overextended. This morning, this is important moment on Dow. Powerful pullback is the key. Without powerful pullback, intelligent trader not pulling a trigger. Without powerful pullback, intelligent trader not engraving junky trading into her subconscious. And what playing out in front of you right now is a very powerful reminder. Do not engrave gambling into your subconscious. Pretty please. It is never, ever, ever about lucky point. It is never, ever about scarcity mindset. Your number one goal, preservation of capital. You think and trade as hedge fund trader does. So here's a trade in drastically better place. On Dow prior. Stunning. Flawless. Intelligent trader buys as low as possible. If you choose to pull a trigger now, it's extremely aggressive trading. Simple. Look at this chart and understand. Buying as low as possible is an intelligent thing to do. When a bold red line is present, do not pull a trigger. Previous hour, ultimate chop, ultimate pain. This is junky trading, this is gambling. Intelligent trader has zero interest in that. Intelligent trader interested only in powerful strategic trading. That's it. I coach you how to become top 1%. I coach you to separate weakness from power. Right now we need a powerful pullback, and that's the only thing that matters. And when rules are met, intelligent trader would take a trade. If you choose to pull a trigger now, nothing good is possible, only this. It's a junky trading. So when short plays out, this is a place you want to short from. This is a place you want to buy from. But this is ultimate best, because this is institutional entry point. This is not. And if I take you back to this chart, no one should be surprised. This is market open, last 5 minutes. That's it. Strategic intelligent trading. Lower is better. In this vicinity without powerful pullback, it's ultimate junk. Powerful pullback is crucial. It doesn't matter if you trade 5 minutes, it doesn't matter if you trade 10 minutes, it doesn't matter what chart you trade. Bullish rally overextended. Pulling a trigger anywhere here will never make you successful trader. Only powerful pullback is crucial. And that's the discussion with my students before we came to the trading room. Lower is better. Nothing else is an option. An intelligent trader who is using software understands and sees this with a single glimpse. Bold red line means not a good place to buy. So when I coach 11-year-old or 14-year-old kids think trading is the easiest thing. But why is it so much easier for 11 and 14-year-old to trade versus 50, 60 and 70? It's very simple, very basic answer. 11 and 14-year-old Dominic, to whom you can listen on the podcast channel, doesn't have financial worry in the world. His brain is not clogged up with junky indicators, with junky systems. He doesn't know what that is. He's not chasing any junky systems. He's focusing on simplicity and purity of what you see in front of you every single day. Red line means powerful pullback is a must. At red line, your only option to short from. And when rules are met, take a trade. Just do not forget that this is a zone of institutional buy point. This is what institutions been doing this entire week. Defending key institutional support. And that's strategic intelligent trading, no matter what instrument you choose to trade. We're stuck here. This is broker's heaven. This is junkie chop. Lower is better. So do not complicate trading, pretty please. Trade markets as Alpha Fibonacci chess. What does this mean? RZ reversal zone. An hour of ultimate chop. Nothing good happens if you choose to buy red line. And that's the market right now, traders. Intelligent trader understands this very, very well. Zero interest in 1 minute. Zero. Only interest in ultimate buy, in ultimate support. This is gambling. This is not trading. If you choose to pull a trigger now, you're engraving junky gambling into your subconscious. Powerful pullback is crucial, critical. The trade is not on 1 minute chart. I convert trade to 1 minute for the trading room only. So if I bring to your attention scanner, as S&P and Dow have very identical structure, S&P moving drastically better than Dow. So caution please, make sure that rules are met. Make sure what we discussed about critical key chart. And when the scanner picks up the alerts on Dow, enjoy the ride. Bold red line, not the place to buy. Pure and simple. See the markets with a child's eyes. Stop carrying all the baggage into the present. Stop bringing all the junk indicators. Stop wasting your time. Focus on price. Focus on what matters. Bold red line is not the place to buy. And that's a lesson this morning. And that's vicious, cruel open for someone who does not understand the rules. The one who does, it's a stunning reminder. Bold red line, not the place to buy. Monitor for pullback, and when rules are met, take a trade. Do not overcomplicate markets. You're only interested in power. You have zero interest in weakness. This is weakness. This is junk. There is no power. Be on sidelines is the only option. That's it. So if you choose to take the short right now, pay attention on the chart in front. And that's how intelligent trader trades, with critical Alpha Fibonacci rules. We discussed with students critical concern. It's playing out in front of you right now. Intelligent trader being rewarded. Intelligent trader always plays by the rules. Intelligent trader never ever gambles. Move your stop outside of break-even. Start shaking profits off the table. And when you do, the sky's the limit. Ultimate precision in front of you. Key target now. If you choose not to scale out, if you choose not to take profits off the table now, it's a problem. This is key moment on Dow. Chances of Dow reversing from this level extremely high. And that's market open on Dow, ladies and gentlemen, with Alpha Fibonacci system and Alpha Fibonacci rules. So if you took this trade, key moment traders, and you managed to pull 20 points on Dow, $5 per tick, $100 on one lot, on 10 lots, $1,000, on 20 lots, $2,000. Your workday is done. You traded markets as strategic, intelligent trader. And when you do, you will never, ever need anything else. That's it. That's the power of the system. And that's the market for the last few hours. With Alpha Fibonacci system, ultimate precision, ultimate simplicity, ultimate pure price, and Alpha Fibonacci only. See the markets with a child's eyes. Do not overcomplicate trading. Intelligent day trader operates as a sniper. Intelligent trader understands that preparation for your trade is at least 70% of your work. We knew well before markets open, this is not the place to buy. Black and white. Nothing else is possible, only powerful pullback. That's it. Intelligent trader rewarded each and every day. Intelligent trader operates with sniper's mentality. All the details in live class. See the markets with a child's eyes. Stop carrying your baggage. Stop chasing junky systems. JP Morgan traders whom I coach, do not do that. Why in the world would you? You think, live and breathe as hedge fund trader does. Preservation of capital is your #1 goal. It is never about lucky point. It is never about junky trading. This is simplicity and purity of the system in front of you, no matter what you trade. And if I take you back to 1-minute chart, this is a key right now. Is anyone surprised? Green line, not the place to short, the place to get out of your short, the place to monitor for long. That's your trading range this morning. Nothing else is possible, only this. Can you do that? Profit taking is on. It's a quiet before the storm. The way you trade one instrument is the way you trade all instruments. Buyers becoming weaker and weaker and weaker. Sellers becoming more and more powerful. Historical formations on Dow. No panic, no sweat, no sleepless nights, no stress. This is a chart that matters. If you decide to join us, now is the best time of the year to join. You can always sign up and receive invitation to see the power of the system in the live markets via this invitation to the trading room. So please review everything you see on the website. This is a system traded globally on all instruments, all platforms, all by traders of all levels. Software for Ninja 8, but system can be traded on all platforms without the software. Software developed 2019, system traded globally since 2011 on all platforms. So listen to Podcast with Traders. Listen how Richard quadrupled his retirement account, how Ken trading Bitcoin, how Brad took $10,000 account to, $25,000 account to 100,000 plus. Listen to journeys of traders, view emails I receive. You can be one of these traders. All you have to do, make an effort and obey the rules. So if you're joining us right now, on my birthday, I always give gifts to others. We are doing annual Alpha Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp. Bootcamp included with all 4 packages at no cost to new students. So if you are joining us with lifetime system, with live classes, with group course or private mentoring, bootcamp included for you. This year I'm focusing not just on your trading in the live markets. This year I'm focusing on critical key part. In the bootcamp, value of 3,000, only 17 spaces left, you will be mastering not just how to trade as a hedge fund trader, but you will be focusing on optimizing your brain. Because crazier the world will become, more powerful your brain needs to be. Your brain needs to separate noise and panic from quality life. Quality brain equals quality mindset. Brain is a hardware, mindset is a software. So if you are joining us in this first Alpha Brain Bootcamp, you will learn how to reduce stress, anxiety, how to enhance sleep relaxation, how to improve mood concentration, how to remove metals from your diet. Because if you took vaccine, oops, it's a whole lot of metals in your system. If your brain is cloudy and foggy, oops. So those of my students with whom I work in private coaching, with whom I dive so much deeper than trading, asked me to expand this into the group coaching. Of course, this is key to your success. Never, ever, ever forget that. Quality brain equals quality mindset. And if you are a student, of course, you never have to pay $3,000. Contact me for a special invoice. Because every single time I work with private mentoring student, it is pure joy. I dive a whole lot better, a whole lot deeper than trading. I live and breathe what I do. And that's the reason I'm doing this boot camp. Speaking with Steve, with whom I'm working tomorrow. Steve is 70 years old. Steve is a doctor. Pure joy working with Steve. Pure joy working with Jason. They know what matters. And when they do, trading becomes a breeze. So when you listen to Brad's podcast, when you listen to Jason's podcast of 14-year-old Dominic, you start seeing clearly every single one of these traders has a quality mindset. It's a base for quality trading. So in a crazy, insane world, this is your ultimate start. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. We will be in boot camp on average 3 hours per day. We will be diving into not just trading. We will be diving so much deeper. Any questions? info@fibinstitute.com or 925-257-4298. Thank you traders so much for a stunning morning.